everyone, I'm Serena from TM. Today I'd like to introduce Tm-Uso 1368 grinding machine to you. It is a range extended grinder which has accumulated more than 100 disruptive technology gained by TM during the 30 years. It is very flexible and easy to use, and it can adapt to different scenarios with or without electricity. So it relieves you from the constraint of the wirings. Please welcome to TM and be USO captain. We welcome you to visit our factory in China. Welcome to partnership with TM. Win, win, win!